Heart murmurs. The heart makes sounds as it beats. These sounds occur as the heart valves open and close to allow blood to flow through the heart. A heart murmur is an extra noise heard during a heartbeat. The sound results from irregular blood turbulence in the heart. Heart murmurs are usually detected when the doctor listens to the heart with a stethoscope. A murmur is a blowing, whooshing, or rasping sound that occurs during a heartbeat. A heart murmur is often the first sign that a patient has another condition that affects the heart valves. Heart murmurs are classified as either innocent or abnormal. Innocent heart murmurs are not dangerous and generally require no medical intervention. Innocent heart murmurs can happen when blood flows more rapidly than normal through the heart, such as during exercise, fever, exertion, or pregnancy. Innocent heart murmurs are also called functional or physiologic murmurs. They are common in infants and children, but they usually disappear by the time they reach adulthood. There is no underlying health condition. Abnormal heart murmur is more serious. Usually, they are the result of congenital heart disease in children or defective heart valve problems in adults. Murmurs caused by valve problems or congenital heart problems usually last throughout life, and in some cases, they can worsen over time. Causes. An innocent heart murmur can be a normal finding for many people. Innocent murmurs may be caused by fever, exercise, pregnancy, anemia, infection, exertion, and hyperthyroidism. An abnormal heart murmur can be caused by heart problems such as heart valve abnormalities, congenital heart defects, endocarditis, septal defect, patent ductus arteriosus, aortic valve calcification, and rheumatic heart disease. Risk factors for heart murmurs, family history of cardiac disorders, underlying health conditions such as hypertension, hyperthyroidism, carcinoid syndrome, rheumatoid arthritis, and systemic lupus may trigger a heart murmur. An infant is more likely to have a heart murmur after birth if the mother had a medical illness during pregnancy, such as rubella or diabetes. In addition, using illicit drugs, taking certain medications, and drinking alcohol during pregnancy can increase the risk of congenital cardiac defects. Common symptoms of a heart murmur include general weakness, fatigue, fainting, rapid breathing, chest pain, chronic cough, blue lips, or fingertips. Palpitations, swelling in the body, difficulty with exercise or physical activity, weight gain, and poor feeding and growth failure. Diagnosis. Physicians diagnose a heart murmur with a physical exam. The doctor uses a stethoscope to listen to the heartbeat, measuring the murmur's volume, pitch, timing, and length. This way, the physician can identify if the patient has any signs of heart problems. However, in some cases, the patient may need additional diagnostic tests to rule out the problem. Treatment. In some cases, an innocent heart murmur may go away on its own and does not require any treatment unless there is a clear cause, such as anemia. In such cases, treating the underlying cause should cure the murmur. Treatment for an abnormal heart murmur depends on the cause. Treatment options include surgery, medication, or a valve replacement procedure. Medication. Depending on the condition that causes the heart murmur, a doctor may prescribe different medications such as ACE inhibitors or beta blockers, antiarrhythmic medications, vasodilators, antibiotics, anticoagulants, and diuretics. Surgery. If medications do not solve the problem on their own, the patient may need a surgical procedure to address the cause of the murmur. A doctor may perform an annuloplasty, balloon valvuloplasty, and valve replacement procedures such as open heart surgery. Complications of a heart murmur. An innocent heart murmur has no complications. Complications of an abnormal heart murmur will vary depending on the cause. Possible complications include heart failure, infection of the heart's valves, blood clots, stroke, fainting, heart attack, and sudden cardiac arrest. Thank you.